All right, welcome back, everybody. It's going to be a recap for this Monday, June 26th of 2023. Okay, first trade you saw me take this morning during the live show was gold. I entered gold approximately at 922, 923. Do have a target at 1944 and 1929. It never hit either one. So I am continuing to hold this overnight. As you can see, this is the day's action. This is the evening action. You can see it's not going anywhere. But I am long this position. This was an HF2. So we'll continue to hold on to that until we either get stopped and then I reverse and or if we hit our target. All right. Let's see what else. We traded some indices. Had a really good day in the indices. Let's take a look at the E-mini S&P because I also put that on this morning as well. All right, once again, this is going to be the E-mini S&P. I have two trades in the E-mini S&P once again, just using my very, very simple, it's just a three-step process. With the indices, it's just a two-step process. I just wait for my patterns to get set up. And I have four of them, HF1, 2, 3, and pairing. And after that sets up for a buy or short, then I will go ahead and run Einstein to provide me with a high probability target, and then that's it. And that's what we did this morning with a nice HF2 buy. Ended up hitting my target. I went ahead and I exited at the first target. We did come back later on and we sold it shortly after, it was almost 11 o'clock, it's about a quarter till. We sold it on another HF2, so it was an HF2 following a buy HF2. And we carried this and we got out right after noontime and it did hit our profit target and we went ahead, which was our first target, went ahead and took profit on that. So nice little money on the buy and a nice little money on the short. So let's see how we did overall on the indices. All right, so here we are. Made some nice money on the E-mini S&P. Made a little bit of money on the mini NASDAQ today. And but I lost on the mini Russell. The mini Russell for some reversed on me and went ahead and took a loss on the mini Russell. Still did okay trading those three. Once again, I am in the gold and I am holding that gold overnight. So we'll hopefully get out of that gold tomorrow. And we'll see how the gold goes. But these are the closed position. This is where I'm sitting. Also had a really nice day in stocks, so let's take a look at that as well. All right, so let's look at the watch list that we put out this morning. Once again, we do put this watch list out before trading every morning. We have a morning watch list. We also post our afternoon watch list. Let's see if we can get some end of the day runners. But this was our watch list this morning. I did take 3 or 4 of these trades. Biggest one was on MEDS. MEDS, let's take a look and see here. This MEDS came in prior to the opening bell. As I mentioned, I always like to see that opening bell come in and see a push. But in this case, what ended up happening, I didn't even get into the opening bell. I did enter here and it just broke through several levels. I did have 1 and 2. After it took out level 2, I was hoping that it would continue to break, and then it did pull back a little bit. I was really thinking that we were getting ready to start moving back up and get ready for that opening bell to really take off and go parabolic. It did not. It faltered. So I went ahead and I did see selling coming in. Looking at Bookmap, you can look at the order size, and I did see some pretty good size orders coming in on the short. So I went ahead and I took my profit. I maybe could have taken a little bit more out of it, but I went ahead and took that profit when it came back down into. So it came back down, it came back in, came back down. Wasn't holding these gains. That was the other reason I went ahead and got out. Made an actual profit. It was a good decision that I got out because it pretty much just went down for the rest of the day. So really nice profit. That was my big trade on MEDS. Let's see what else. So we'll show you the rest here. Let's see. All right, so this is the results. Once again, great profit on MEDS. But you can see MEDS was on our watch list this morning. Once again, this is put out before we do any trading. MEDS. IONQ was also on our watch list. Made some nice money on IONQ. Picked up a little bit on Free, FREE. ORIC was not on the watch list, but it did pop up on our active scanner. So we went ahead and took a little bit of ORIC. I think I could have done a little bit better on ORIC, but it was not really going anywhere, kind of going sideways. Once I was up a little bit, I went ahead and decided to get out of it. But nonetheless, not a bad day. I didn't do any afternoon trading. I did look at my afternoon watch list. I didn't see anything that I felt really comfortable with jumping in and buying. So I just let it go and just wrapped up the day like that. So that is going to do it for today. Once again, we do this every morning, folks. Okay, I'm trading live. I am giving you my entries and I am giving you my exits and whenever I reverse. So come watch me trade live, all right? This is all done live. So you can watch me actually call these out. So, and also this watch list does go out every morning. We also have, like I said, an afternoon one that does go out to all our active subscribers in our new Discord channel. So if you like to trade stocks and or if you maybe like to trade commodities, as you see our indices, I do those as well. And once again, I walk you through the process. This is a fairly simplistic process. It took me years to simplify it, but it does work, and it's been working for the last 35 years. So anyway, that being said, any information you would like, if you'd like to know more about how I trade, you can go to my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or visit my website at innovativetradingstrategies.com. Y'all have a good day. See you tomorrow.